Lyria 3 was just announced by Google and it's their latest top-notch AI music generator. People are already making hit songs with it online, so of course I've tested it out over the last 2 days. So in this video I'll show you exactly how you can create songs like this, like that, and like this.
Oh, we rise above the heavy rain.
All without knowing how to produce or make music. Over the last few years, I've made a couple videos on AI music generators and they've gotten hundreds of thousands of views. So I think it's something that you're interested in, but I promise you that I'm not only going to show you exactly how to use this model, but also what makes this model good and where I'm using it for my business and for my video production purposes, but also where it still has some drawbacks. And I'm tying this all together with a few free prompts and resources like this lyric generator that you can use for free with a link in the description. And I'll show you how you can access this model not only on Gemini, but also on Artlist in order for you to tie it all into your entire content production workflow. Your time is valuable, so let's get right into it. Now here's the announcement from Google that they launched Lyria 3. And as you can see here, this is their latest AI music model that allows you to create cohesive tracks, explore global languages and genres, and compose music with images and dial in the details. I put together this guide with research on what it is, the best prompting frameworks to use with it, how to make your lyrics sound better, and some ChatGPT prompting frameworks that we will cover in just a second. But first, the old Lyria that they had only allowed you to create songs up to 30 seconds. But with their latest update, you can now generate songs up to 3 minutes. On the Gemini account, you have basic editing, whereas if I show you another method where you get full controls into how to structure your songs better. And I will cover commercial licenses as well as daily limits in just a second as well. Now to use this tool, you need to have a Gemini Pro account. Simply head to your Gemini account and click on Tools. Down here, now click on Create Music and type in something like make an alternative indie song about dancing on the beach and hit Submit. As you notice, you cannot add a lot of granularity, so you need to include that in this initial prompt in order to tweak exactly the song instructions or add your own custom lyrics. And it looks like I just got the song generation error, which is terrible timing for this video, but this might happen if there's too many people using this platform. But in just a second, I'll show you how you can access it through another platform and how you can get around exactly that error. One way to get around this is to give it the same prompt again, and it looks like this time it was able to generate the song. Let's log in and listen to the song.
Catch the cresting of the ephemeral soul, lose the pieces that we can't keep whole.
All right, that was already pretty good, but I noticed that in the lyrics, she used the words ephemeral light. And if you listen to enough AI generated songs, you kind of see these patterns that make it sound very AI generated. So if you want to get around that, you want to include your custom lyrics that don't include those phrases and words. And I even included some of these banned word lists that I've noticed come up in a lot of AI songs. And I also included a bigger list in my master guide for this that not only includes Lyria 3, but also a bunch of other prompts. So if you want to dive deeper into that, check that out as well. But let's create a few more songs with more granular control. And I'll show you another way of accessing this model if your Gemini account says it's overloaded or it can't generate the songs. And the platform that I'm using for this is called Artlist. Click on the link below in the description in order to get access to Artlist. Within Artlist, you can not only generate AI music, but you can also generate AI videos and AI images. Because in the toolkit, you have access to the latest AI image models such as NanoBanana 2, as well as to the latest AI video models such as Kling 3, VO 3.1, and the upcoming Seedance and Seedream models. And you have access to an entire stock catalog of music that you can use for whatever projects you want. If you click on the link in the description, you also get a discount and you can get started for as little as $9.99 a month, which gives you 16,000 credits, which is enough for about 100 videos, over 110 songs, or over 1,600 different images. But what we're actually interested in is the music part. So let's create some songs. To do that, either click on the banner right here or click on the AI toolkit and click on the AI music button right there. Below this, we can select the model. And in this case, you can either select the old model, which only gives you 30-second inputs, or the new Lyria 3 Pro model. And this is really the best model that you want to select. Now down here, we see that we have many more models in order to refine our music production whenever we want to create a song. You can select a duration for a song or just click auto, which is what I usually go with. You can select the genre, but I'll also show you how to effectively prompt it in here. You can select the mood, the theme, and the tempo, but I usually keep the tempo on auto. Now the biggest win here is that you can enter your own custom lyrics, and you can do that by clicking on auto lyrics and selecting custom lyrics. Now we can see that our prompt box not only includes the prompt right here, but also our custom lyrics. We can also add an instrumental track, which is great if you want to have some sort of study music. So let's try that out. I'll go back to the free resource that is linked below, and I have an example prompt for a lo-fi study beat. Let's copy this and paste that in here. Once you hit enter, it will start to create the song for you. Now, while this is generating, let me show you how you can come up with your own custom lyrics. I put together this prompt that makes it really easy for ChatGPT to have the right context and know exactly how Lyria 3 wants the genre as well as the lyrics. So you can either copy this and go to ChatGPT and you can paste it in right here. So in this case, I'll say the genre should be alternative pop topic about dancing on the beach, and I'll insert the genre, the topic, the mood, and I can create 2 sections here, and you can leave the rest of the prompt exactly as is, and simply hit enter.
A few moments later.
And it will now give me the product prompt description. You can simply copy this over. You can simply now go over here, click on custom lyrics, paste the production notes here, and now copy the lyrics below. Keep everything else as is and hit enter. And as you can see here, it's starting to create the song now. But to make this whole process even easier, I created a custom GPT that has now been used by over 50,000 users, and this allows you to do all of this much more effortlessly within the custom GPT without you having to copy and paste any other prompts. To get there, here's the AI music and lyrics prompt generator, and all you need to do is now say create an alternative pop song about dancing on the beach which has a happy and uplifting but nostalgic mood to it, and hit enter. And it thought for 8 seconds, and with this custom GPT it has a way more detailed background of what we're trying to do and trying to achieve, and it creates much better lyrics in my opinion. So feel free to check it out and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. So once again, we'll click on the detailed style prompt, or you can use the simple alternative style prompt and paste that in here, as well as the lyrics that go right here, and hit generate. Now let's listen to the 3 songs. Here's the lo-fi instrumental song. I like that. That is really good for studying or for deep focused work. If you want to download it, simply click on the download section right here. And if you subscribe to Artlist, and you will have the commercial licenses to the songs, so you can use this in the background music for your YouTube channel or for commercial purposes. Now here's the one that we generated with the custom prompt.
The youth that we find, the youth that we find.
I like that. It sounded clean and was exactly what I'm going for with the beachy vibes. But let's see how the custom GPT performed in comparison to this.
Walking down to where the tide meets the sand, writing our names with a shake in our hand. Oh, keep the light from fading away in the haze of a sun-faded day.
I thought that song was really good, and I wouldn't be able to tell that that was AI generated. Let me know down in the comments what other songs you want to see me create. Now the natural question is, what is this AI generator actually good at, and what genres does it perform well, and where does it fall short? As you can see here, I created a bunch of songs already, and I've tested them out with different genres, different kinds of singing, and different lyrics. However, where Lyria 3 Pro struggles is really with fast and technical metal, so really hardcore songs, or advanced harmonies where there's long, for example in jazz songs when there is a long solo, and it's also not as good for orchestral or artist imitations because the prompts tell you that it's not allowed to, for example, to create a song like Taylor Swift, it will just say it's not allowed to do that. You can also not create any stem separations yet, but if you just want to create a song and use it as is, you don't even need to do that. So where I'm using this in my production pipeline is that I use it for background music in YouTube videos. For example, some of the background tracks in this exact video are actually generated with this exact model. And to do that, you just follow the same steps. You click on create a new chat, say something like, simply describe what kind of prompts I should give it. And one of them, it suggested lo-fi, but we already did that. Another one is ambient cinematic paths, more corporate or tech background music, or light electronic and gaming background. I can also give it a little bit more examples. For example, this prompt, but say that I don't want it to be overpowering. And it then gives me this exact detailed style prompt. And this time I'll use the detailed style prompt. I'm gonna click on instrumental and insert that here. And let's also test the alternative shorter prompt to see how they perform against each other. And while this is generating, I want to show you one more cool synth fusion of hip hop and country and see how it performs at creating that kind of song. And to do that, let's try the auto mode again. And we'll say create a country hip hop fusion track. But let's also compare that with custom lyrics and say, and we'll just simply take this, bring that back in here, click on custom lyrics and copy these lyrics in there.
A few moments later.
Dust on the boots, but the mind is on the move. Got a country soul and a hip-hop groove. Started with a guitar on the front porch swing. Now the bass is low.
All right, I did like the sound of it and the feel, but the lyrics were still a bit off. So let's check out the other ones that we generated with my custom lyric maker.
Tires, walking through mud just to get to the fires. I seen the ghost on the blacktop road, carrying weight of a heavy-duty load. Finding the rhythm in the middle of the heat. Oh, the mud on my sneakers, the blood on the ground. I found my peace where I wasn't found. We're living for the country, we're living for the bass. Running through the darkness, we're living for the bass.
I like that. That had a different feel to it, and the lyrics were much less predictable. But I generated one more in this style.
Shoes are worn, but the spirit's strong belong. Oh, we rise above the heavy rain. Wash away the doubt and pain, side by side till the day is done. Shining brighter than the midday sun, shining brighter than the midday sun.
Wow, I like the last one the most. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. I have many more videos on AI music and AI video generators coming up, so if this interests you, hit the subscribe button below and you'll see the next one. Grab the link below in the description and try out Artlist for yourself, and drop any videos or songs that you generate down in the comments so we can all check them out. Thanks so much for watching until the end. Hit the like button if you liked the video, and if you subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.